Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you the concept of the Babylonian notation. In the Babylonian notation, we have the three different symbols. The first one, we have the less than sign, and then the value is number 10. The second symbol is the triangle. The value is number 1. And the last one, we have the double triangles. We have the value is 0. The writing of the numbers is in page 60 and it's right out in the horizontal. This means it starts from the right side to the left side. And then here is the all place value we have. We start from the right side. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. This is have the left. For the first example, I would like to show you the way how to convert the Babylonian notation to the number in page 10. Just keep in mind, whenever we write out the Babylonian notation, we have to start from the right to the left. So that's why whenever we have the page 60, we have to write out the place value as the 60 power 0, the 60 power 1, and so on if we have more. Let's focus on the value of it. So first, because we have the two less than sign, so we have here one less than sign, the value is 10. So we have over here is 20. We have the one left hand side and then one triangle. This means over here is 11. Next, we have to do calculation that we use the number of the value and then we multiply by the place value. So over here, we have 11 times 60 power 1 plus the 20 times 60 power 0. So over here, we have the 660. Here we have a 20. So the final answer is 680. All right, so let's do something with a bigger number. For the second example, let's convert this Babylonian notations to the number in page 10. So we start from the right side. We have the two left-hand side and one triangle. This means the value over here is 21. Over here, we have a double triangle. This means the value is 0. And here, we have 13. Because the notation was written in the horizontal and it starts from the right side to the left side. So here we have the power 0, the power 1, and the power 2. And the next step, we have to do calculation that we use the value number, we multiply by the place value. So here, 13 times 60 power 2. And next, the 0 times 60 power 1. And here, 21 times 60 power 0. And then after we do the calculation, so we have 46,800. Here we have the 0. And then here we have the 21. And the final answer is 46,821. Okay, so I hope this helped. Have a wonderful day, you guys.